Hi guys, so back today with the Elektrikit, and we're taking a look at E6 signal, which apparently, according to that, is a signal of a type used on continental railways that can be used with O-gauge railways. Now, I've never been into more railways. I know a lot of people who do Meccano are into Hornby, but it's never been particularly my interest, so I'm presuming that means more to some of you than it does to me. Just looking at this model, I'm presuming that the idea is that this flicks upwards and that it achieves that by that be magnetizing, pulling those down, and that flicks those up when you put the current through. That's a guess, but would seem logical, and we'll see what happens when we've made it. That's the plan. So stick around, watch the build, see you in the end, see how we did. Cheers. So then, here are the parts that we're going to need to build this signal. Fairly straightforward. The ones that come in that we haven't used before are these. These are cylindrical coils and the steel cores to go down inside of them. And yeah, not a massive build. Hopefully it goes together alright, and we'll see it working when we've got there. So see you on the other side. Right then, just to go over what we've got and how I think it will work. I wasn't actually sure, but gravity isn't pulling that down. It's still there, but if it does go all the way down, then it pulls that signal up like that. So the job is to put an electric current through it. So there's the electric wires around a steel core that will magnetize, pull them down, lever action, up that goes. You've got power coming in there, that wire goes through, connects to there. It's a connection across there to there. New wire there, comes back, connects to there, completes the circuit through that. That, in theory, is what I think we're going to see. But I don't know, so let's find out. I'm not at all sure this is going to work, but let's see what happens. Absolutely nothing. So, back the voltage up. That make any difference? No. You know, there are no videos for this model on YouTube. I'm beginning to wonder if that's because, you know, it's not the easiest one to get to work. It's not doing anything. There's no... Do we have power? And that's going at the same voltage as that. I think you can see it with 15.76 there and 15.76 here, near enough. So there's definitely power going through that, but not sufficient to pull this down. So, what am I doing wrong? I'd be interested in your comments, people, because I'm stumped. I've got power to it, it's wired up as shown, the power's working all the way through it, and nothing's happening. It should be doing that by itself, I think, and it's not. Or is it that it's being pushed out and that's a good thing? I mean, if I turn the power off, does it drop? No. No. Put the power back on. Nothing happens. Right. Answers on a postcard, or preferably in the comments, as to why this thing isn't doing what it's supposed to do, because, you know, as far as I can see, I've set it up as it is supposed to be. I'm stumped. But that was part of it. I knew that not all of these would work. I was thinking it'd be something more complicated than this that didn't work, I have to be honest. But, you know, it's a learning experience. Please tell me in the comments why you think this isn't working, and, you know, I'll look to modify it, and have another go, show you again at the start of another video or something like that. Okay, thanks very much. Cheers, bye.